Hello everyone, I am P. Dhanlakshmi, working as Functional English and Life Skills Trainer, AP Balayogi Gurukulam, Kondepi, Prakasham District. Welcome to Naipunya Vikasam. Today we are going to learn about spotting errors. Spotting errors are most important topic for the competitive exams. Let's see what is spotting error. Spotting errors are asked in verbal reasoning. You need to spot sentences and errors which are grammatically incorrect. This error can be anything from noun to pronoun, to singular or plural to word usage. They can be anything. There are about 21 spotting error types that will fall under four packets. The first one is subject verb agreement. Second one is parts of speech. Third one is relative pronoun and prepositions. Let's see examples. Error spotting question on subject verb agreement. The decoration of the new office block, including the furniture and curtains, are most pleasing. In this sentence, the error word is are. In this sentence, the error is the fourth part of the sentence. The error is related to the subject verb agreement. A singular subject always goes with the singular verb. A plural subject always goes with the plural verb. The decoration of the new office block is singular. Therefore, the verb that should be used must be singular. The correct sentence is the decoration of the new office block, including the furniture and curtains, is most pleasing. Next example. There are 10 apples in the basket. In this sentence, the error word is. The correct sentence is there are 10 apples in the basket. The correct word is are. Next example. He have two sisters. In this sentence, the error word is have. The correct sentence is he has two sisters. Next example. Many people likes to go on vacation in the summer. In this sentence, the error word is likes. The correct sentence is many people like to go on vacation in the summer. Error spotting question on parts of speech. Question. Anu has a fascinating for all electrical things. In this sentence, the error word is fascinating. The correct sentence is Anu has a fascination for all electrical things. In this sentence, the error is related to the noun. When an indefinite article A is given in a sentence, then it should be followed by a noun. Therefore, the error is in the second part of the sentence. Next example. When Abdul took out his wallet, his keys fallen out. In this sentence, the error word is fallen. The correct sentence is when Abdul took out his wallet, his keys fell out. Next example. Have you ever went to see a movie by yourself? In this sentence, the error word is went. The correct sentence is have you ever gone to see a movie by yourself? Error spotting question on relative pronoun. He is the same boy which came to us yesterday. In this sentence, the error is in the third part of the sentence. He is the same boy is the subject of the sentence which came to us yesterday in the relative clause. A relative pronoun should be relatable to the subject. Hence, he is a pronoun and who, whom, and that are some of the relative pronouns. In this case, who is the correct relative pronoun to be used? The correct sentence is he is the same boy who came to us yesterday. Next example on preposition. Guru Ram Das was the fourth Guru of the Sikhs between 1674 to 1681. In this sentence, the error word is between. In this sentence, the error is in the fourth part of the sentence. Years 1674 to 1681 is a range. When we talk about a range, the preposition that is used from. The correct sentence is Guru Ram Das was the fourth Guru of Sikhs from 1674 to 1681. Next example. You are not listening me. In this sentence, the error word is listening. The correct sentence is you are not listening to me. Next example. A feather fell from the peacock's tail while it danced gracefully in the garden. In this sentence, the error word is from. The correct sentence is a feather fell off the peacock's tail while it danced gracefully in the garden. Assessment. Topic spotting errors, class 12. Functional English, class 12, topic spotting errors. Given below are a few sentences divided into four parts A, B, C, and D. Mark the part of the sentences which contains an error. If there is no error, mark D. First question. I and he are very good friends. Second one should look after their parents. Third one, she placed the offering to good in the altar. Fourth one, I saw him coming out of the hotel 10 o'clock. Fifth one of my friend is returning to India from the USA. Sixth one, Sudha is living in Chennai since 1987. Seventh one, these errors are made by foreigners. Eighth one, Sundar is getting married with Sita. Ninth one, he studied so hardly he was sure of passing. 10th one, if you are coming home tomorrow, let me know at what time I can expect you. 11th one, though we both are of the same weight, you are more heavier than I. 12, he is fatter than me. 13, the company reports that the demands of for their computers are growing every day. 14, I promise I call you as soon as I get home. 15. I am afraid I did a mistake in the calculation. Match the following. Each question carries 1 mark. 16. The road to famous moment passes through a forest. Option A, the road. Option B, to famous moment. C, passes through a forest. D, no error. 17. The school is within 100 yards from my house. Option A, the school is. B, within 100 yards. C, from my house. D, no error. 18. The famous Dr. Chandra is only dentist in our village. Option A. The famous Dr. Chandra. B. Is only dentist. C. In our village. D. No error. 19. He took to reading times for better knowledge of the facts. Option A. He took to. B. Reading times. C. For better knowledge. D. Of the facts. 20. I go to the bed at 8 every night. Option A. I go to the bed. B. At 8. C. Every night. D. No error. Thank you all.